Hello everyone, welcome back to BlacX Studio. We are back again with a very interesting topic that says about the Google Bard that is now available in India. So let's go and talk about it. Google has opened up access to its ChatGPT rival chatbot Bard to more than 180 countries, while also removing a waitlist that was required for access. Google has also added a number of new features to Bard in a bid to take control of AI chatbot landscape, currently dominating by OpenAI ChatGPT. Commenting on a removal of a waitlist and opening of Bard, in a blog post Google said, "As we continue to make additional improvement and introduce new feature, we want to get Bard into more people's hands so that they can try it out and share their feedback with us." So today we are removing the waitlist and opening of Bard to over 180 countries and territories. Later the company added, "As we have said from the beginning, large language models are still nascent technology with known limitations. So as we further expand, we will continue to maintain our high standard for quality and local nuisance, while also ensuring that we adhere to our AI principles." Google has also announced that Bard will be available in Japanese and Korean, while the company is preparing to add support for 40 more languages soon. Bard is now powered by Google's latest large language model. The switch to the PaLM2 language model has enabled recent improvement in Bard, including coding capabilities, advanced math, reasoning skills, and more. Now let's go and talk about how to use Bard in India for free. First, go to Bard's official website. Then click on the Try Me option at the bottom right corner of the page. Then agree to its privacy policy by clicking on I agree at the bottom of the page. And it's all set. Now you can use it for free without going through a waitlist. Notably, it was initially only available to users in the UK and US via a waitlist. The chatbot is now available in more than 180 countries and territories, and Google promises to add support for more countries soon. However, Bard is still in the beta stage, and like other generative AI-based chatbot, it is prone to make mistakes. Well, that's it for today. If you like the content, please subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for such interesting news. Thanks for watching. Until then, bye-bye.